Hello, my name is Ashley.Lundy here at Guarantee in Junction City. Today we're inside the showroom to show you a brand new 2020 from Winnebago, a Forza. This is the 34T layout. So we're looking at 34 feet long. Today you get to see the beautiful awnings out with our LED lighting. Long slide here, and the storage in this one is fantastic. We'll take a quick peek here. And you can see it goes all the way through underneath there. So if you have ladders, skis, anything long, you'll be able to fit it. This is an example of one of Winnebago's new color layouts. So you'll notice not too many patterns, not too bright. This is so you can make it your own, and if you feel like changing, you can change the look of it. You can change the designs for seasons. And of course, you're still going to have a large TV, nice cozy fireplace, great view in this one. They did a great job. They also give you here, you open nice little cubby holes hidden, expandable counter space, residential fridge, and in the bedroom, some new features on the sides there. That's new, little cubby holes. We're gonna have a TV back here in the bedroom. Nice sliding door when you want privacy. They did a real good job here. This right here, you can also have be your washer and dryer. Right now, this one is not equipped with that. It's extra pantry. And of course, can't forget the restroom. Good size shower in this one, nice little bench, glass doors. I got to see a brand new one of these before this arrived. Got to look at the Winnebago factory and hear all about it. They are doing a great job back there. We'll take a quick walk around the outside. Now this is on a Freightliner chassis. You could see part of the rail underneath there. That's because it's a 340 horsepower Cummins XCS by Freightliner. S is straight rail in the center. Of course, we do have a couple different paint layouts. But this is a quick look at the Forza. If you have other questions about this or other models, please don't hesitate to give us a call. You can also reach me directly at 541-337-2387. And again, my name is Ashley here at Guarantee RV in Junction City. Thank you so much.